world where industries rely on fossil fuels for power, a better, cleaner solution is here. ampdenergy has been charting the way by deploying advanced energy storage systems to power construction, mining, infrastructure, ports, and events. ampdenergy's energy storage systems deliver independence from the grid, while minimizing the noise, pollution, and cost of diesel.
We founded ampdenergy with a bold vision to transform how industries are powered. It started with a single idea: delivering cleaner, advanced energy storage systems to create emission-free and connected construction sites. We began with construction, but our ambition has grown. Now, AMP is working toward enhancing power across industries, building a cleaner, smarter, and more efficient future.
With our products deployed across 5 main locations, USA, GCC, Asia Pacific, Australia, and the UK, AMPD is rapidly growing, offering clean energy solutions to large blue-chip customers worldwide. In fact, we have already abated over 100,000 tons of CO2, which is equivalent to flying 10,000 times around the world. AMPD ESS range of products delivers peak power when needed, reducing reliance on diesel generators tailored to meet the unique demands of industrial sites. Built rugged for challenging environments, yet whisper quiet, it enables operations to remain discreet in urban areas. Designed for safety, reliability, and easy integration with renewables like solar or hydrogen, it provides a sustainable energy solution. Powered by our Internet software, it offers real-time monitoring, remote insights, and automatic recharging, maximizes efficiency, cuts downtime, and lowers costs.
ampdenergy is scaling fast, with the vision to provide clean power at grid edge or expanding beyond construction into infrastructure, mining, and ports. Our focus, driving sustainability, growth, and efficiency. To scale successfully, we're investing in our people, partnership, and product innovation to ensure our solutions stay reliable, commercially viable, and future-proof. With the world moving away from diesel, we're building the future of clean power, one site, one industry at a time.
Discover how ampdenergy's advanced energy storage systems can power your industry sustainably, reliably, and efficiently. ampdenergy, an emission-free future for industries.